Here's what's making news on Roadshow. It looks like the 2019 New York Auto Show will be a big one for Genesis, because word around the campfire is that the Korean luxury brand will be debuting not only the production version of its flagship G90 for the US, but also a brand new EV concept. We're pretty excited, and based on what Genesis has been doing lately, you should be too. Daimler Trucks is getting extra serious about getting to market with Level 4 autonomy, and to prove that point, it acquired Torque Robotics. If that name sounds familiar, that's because Torque has been around for close to a decade developing self-driving vehicle tech. Even though it was Daimler's truck division that did all the buying, it seems kind of unlikely that it wouldn't share with other brands in the Daimler portfolio, including Mercedes-Benz. Volkswagen has around 122 factories all around the globe, and as you might imagine, keeping track of exactly what they're all doing, as well as what resources they need to be able to function, is a pretty daunting task. To help ease that, VW is partnering with Amazon Web Services and Siemens to create a cloud-based management system that will sync all of VW's factory inventory management and production planning. Volkswagen plans to have this new system up and running by the end of the year. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you Monday.